Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Xbox Game Pass and Luna in Google TV. So I see as of March 19, 2025, the Xbox Game Pass mobile app is no longer supported. So to continue cloud gaming on a mobile device or an APK copy of Xbox Game Pass, which we are using on Google TV, you need to set up your Android device for cloud gaming and other stuff. So that's why Xbox Game Pass app is not working for Google TV. So how to actually fix that? So now on your Google TV, you need to actually have the downloader app and you need to search for Better xCloud. You will see this website, you need to just click on it. And now from here, you need to click on download on GitHub. So now after you download the Better Cloud X app, you can just install it and delete the installer app. And now you can just open the Better xCloud and it will work with you as smooth as Xbox Game Pass app. So now for Luna Fix, if you are still using the Luna app on your Google TV, you will see that it has now a very big delay, like 1 second or so. So you won't be able to play like you used to play on Google TV before. So if you want a new solution for that, the first thing that you need to do is to open Downloader app and search for Chrome. So now you need to install Chrome app on your Google TV. After that, from here, you need to actually use a mouse for the first time that you use this method. So you need to connect mouse to your TV. After that, you need to open Luna website. I'll see from here. After you open the website, you need to click on the three dots from the top right, and you need to go to the homepage section. So after you go to the settings and go to homepage section from here, you can change the link for the homepage from google.com to the website link. So when you start up Google Chrome again, it will load up on Luna home screen. So now you don't need to use your mouse again, you can use your controller to play through Luna website. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.